Hi! In front of me is Blackview A70, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, you need to access tab menu and look for screen portrait orientation icon. When you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, tap on display section and click on the switcher next to screen portrait orientation lock. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!